Our physical, mental and spiritual health is one. We don't treat patients for just the mind or just the body or just the spirit. We are a triple unity of body, mind and spirit. We have a total approach. We don't even treat parts of the body. We treat the whole person. Our treatment involves improving personality, improving their thought process and improving their healthy lifestyle. When you start taking healthy lifestyle, for example, we say sattvic food. What are sattvic food? Sattvic foods are full of essential juices. They are subtle in taste but full of life. Such foods, when you consume, your own nature also improves to be a very good nature. Persons with good nature loves all. They do not have hatred anywhere. Such characteristics is built. And with pranayama, deep breathing exercise, one gets to calm their mind. These are general practices which are given for all ailments. All diseases are one. All causes for all diseases are one. Treatment for all diseases are one. And food and medicine is one. Health and disease is also one. There are 5 unities in nature cure, which makes it simple that we don't have to give different treatment for different disease conditions. We just have to give one healthy lifestyle prescription. That's all.